बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे मई 26 2024 के अखबार में। अकाउंट्स की जॉब है 225 प्लस बेडेड वेल रेप्यूटेड हॉस्पिटल अर्जेंटली रिक्वायर्स चीफ अकाउंटेंट क्वालिफिकेशंस एंड एक्सपीरियंस रिक्वायर्ड ACCA/ICMA or any equivalent degree from a recognized institution, 5 to 8 years in a renowned and reputable hospital. How to apply? Applications with a covering letter and detailed CV should be sent via email salmans987651@gmail.com. Latest by May 31st 2024। डेट तो निकल गई है इस वाली जॉब की। A leading transport company requires a competent account executive in West Wharf Road. The qualification must be a minimum commerce graduate with 5 years experience, have good knowledge of accounts and able to use accounting software. Interested candidates send their resume to hrg4353@gmail.com. hrg4353@gmail.com. A reputed organization at Sharai Faisal Karachi requires assistant accountant inter-commerce with minimum 2 years experience of fresh BCom from University of Karachi and computer literate candidate under 25 years with good communication skills. Please apply at email shadabalam75@yahoo.com and irfanamal367@gmail.com. A trading company requires a person must be accounting background, good English qualification BCom, having full knowledge of computer, MS Excel, MS Word, etc. Email CV at alimuhafiz25@gmail.com. Food industry required accountant assistant 3 years experienced for food industry. मोबाइल नंबर है 031528905333 031528905333। HR/accountant/administrator gender male education bachelor/master experience 3 to 5 years timing 8 AM to 6 PM salary market competitive location Karachi Korangi industrial area job type full time ability to commute required SJH industrial group +92 334649388 +92 334649388 WhatsApp/call. Required internal auditor in one of the leading garments manufacturing company in Korangi industrial area. Position internal auditor qualification ICMA/ACCA. Experience 5 to 6 years in garment/textiles industries preferred nearby resident of Korangi. Salary market competitive. Interested candidates can share resumes on the given email address masood@fashionandarts.com.pk. We need professional 8 years experienced finance cum accountant ICCA, ACCA or equivalent with full command on accounting software and Excel. Age 30 to 40 years. Email hitech coding@hotmail.com. hitech tech coding@hotmail.com. कंप्यूटर्स की जॉब है डेटा एंट्री ऑपरेटर रिक्वायर्ड एक्सपीरियंस्ड कंप्यूटर/डेटा एंट्री ऑपरेटर कैंडिडेट मस्ट एबल टू एंटर डेटा इनटू databases accurately and efficiently. Send CV hrmanager.noor@gmail.com. Required an IT person basic knowledge of website. OPS/C members customer/supplier salary ₹30,000/FMNKAT@gmail.com. Required word processor who should be fully conversant with computers. Minimum speed 50 to 60 words per minute. He should be required to type letters, offers and quotations. Training will be given. Salary ₹35,000 to 40,000 along with conveyance and other fringe benefits depending upon their proficiency. Come for walk-in interview along with testimonials on Wednesday 29th May 2024 from 3 pm to 6 pm at Inter Trade Distributors PVT Ltd, Suite H 215 second floor, the Forum Building, Khayabane Jami, Clifton, Karachi. Telephone number 111483 111483 Engineering की जॉब है. We are looking for a motivated and fresh mechanical/civil engineer having a strong background in engineering principle and ability to work effectively in a team environment. Apply with CV and recent photographs and CV. career1935@gmail.com career1935@gmail.com. General Need Garments factory based in Korangi is hiring for the following positions. Number 1, production manager, 10 plus years experience. Number 2, cutting manager, 10 plus years experience. Number 3, finishing in charge, 5 plus years experience. Number 4, stitching in charge, 5 plus years experience. 5, line checkers, 2 years experience. Kindly apply at hrtextile6@gmail.com. 03302970 03302970 female, maid, 30 to 40 years, required defense phase 7 for 24 hours, small family, cooking, washing and cleaning, education minimum metric. Telephone number 0334039624 0334039624. Email hightechcoding@hotmail.com. Food industry requirements of store assistant, excellent customer service, ensure quality food/beverage service, high school diploma or equivalent, 3 years experienced for food industry. मोबाइल नंबर है 0315289053 0315289053. Required female staff, age between 18 to 25 years, neat, confident, presentable female staff for a beauty based in store position based in Clifton Market. Competitive salary in store job. No outdoor activities. Candidates from DHA/Clifton will be preferred. Please connect with us on 030217018786 030217018786. greenroots.pk@gmail.com greenroots.pk@gmail.com. Required transport coordinator, 3 to 5 years of relevant experience in fleet management. Email CV hopekarachi@gmo@gmail.com. Mention position in the subject line. Contact 0213223930 0213223930. PTCL number है 0213224389 0213224389. Shipping company in Karachi needs male female shipping coordinator, minimum graduate with 5 years experience in logistics, knowledge of customs rules and imports, good communication, correspondence and computer skills essential. Please email your CV to logjobs2023@gmail.com. We are looking for experienced tailor master. Contact on 0300157399 0300157399. Work from home opportunity. We are looking for a candidate who works from home part-time daily for 2 to 3 hours a day, has at least a graduate degree and has prior freight and logistics working experience is preferred. Starting salary 50,000 plus. Commission. Email partjob2024@gmail.com email partjob2024@gmail.com. मैनेजमेंट की जॉब है. मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी KEP सेट. Requires experienced sales/marketing and business development manager. ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है male/female for garments accessories. Interested candidate may apply at tempometal2@gmail.com. A renowned organization is seeking qualified and experienced candidates for 1 senior tax manager with proven experience to handle tax matters. Number 2, corporate manager with in-depth knowledge of SECP rules and return filing. Interested candidates may apply at talha.shafiq41@gmail.com talha.shafiq41@gmail.com. Mass Group International UAE based multi-business group requires applications from career-oriented male/female for the position of business development manager for Pakistan/foreign projects on income package of rupees 70,000 to 1,20,000 plus incentive and facilities. Contact 0327 2301357 0327 2301357. मार्केटिंग की जॉब है. A leading publishing company in Karachi is seeking for male and female marketing representatives for its marketing department. Candidates must be fluent in English and possess excellent communication skills. Interested candidates can email their CV at hr_resources@yahoo.com. अच्छा जी, मल्टीपल की जॉब्स हैं. Construction, interior and furniture company requires experienced staff as per the same job. Minimum 5 years experience. Computer operator, wooden work foreman, civil interior work supervisor. Email aimughal122@gmail.com aimughal122@gmail.com. Cyber security firm is hiring sales and marketing project manager, security engineers, network engineers, system engineers, IT auditors and IT analysts to service our clients in Pakistan. Please send CV at esapk786@gmail.com. Export oriented leather manufacturing unit in Korangi industrial area, Karachi is looking for right and self motivated male professionals for the following position: deputy maintenance engineer, BE/BTech, mechanical, 7 to 10 years experience with manufacturing industry, last 3 years in a lead role, good pharmaceutical grasp over maintenance of plant and machinery, hydraulic, pneumatic, fabrication, machine shop and boiler. Deputy electrical engineer, BE/BTech, electrical, 7 to 10 years manufacturing industry experience, last 3 years in a lead role, good practical grasp over machine maintenance, electric panels, PCBs, HT/LT, panel generator, solar, PF, export manager, BA/BCom, 7 to 10 years manufacturing industry experience, last 3 years in a lead role. Interested candidates to send their CV with a recent photograph mentioning position applied in the subject via email on recruit@universal_leather.com. Manager finance/logistics manager for import/costing/self correspondent/female accounts assistant, career 20@gmail.com. WhatsApp 032828461009 032828461009 and 0322284153 0322284153. Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central for software implementation, telephone operator, import/account officers and data entry operators are required. Apply to jobs@qaisarbrothers.com. jobs@qaisarbrothers.com. Required experienced merchandiser/office assistant for textile export based manufacturing company. Apply in person from 2 to 5 p.m. at CHTL C1/D4 sector 16, Korangi industrial area, Korangi, Kanta Gali before Vita Chaurangi. टीचर्स की जॉब है. वेल रेप्यूटेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है डिफेंस फेज 5 कराची. रिक्वायर्ड एन अकाउंटेंट फॉर स्कूल अकाउंट्स, मस्ट बी BCom and computer literate. Minimum 3 years experience of serving in the accounts department of a reputable concern. Please apply at email hm14369@hotmail.com. A prestigious school at Sadar requires experienced teaching faculty, male/female, or for its junior and senior section to teach multiple subjects. Suitable candidates must have a proven teaching track record. Contact suitable candidates must have a proven teaching track record. Contact 0213565470 0213565470. एक और मोबाइल नंबर है 0300216394 0300 2163 944 Ramin Academy, Zaman Town, Korangi, number 4. Requires experienced principal in the field. Only female interested candidates send their CV to 0316 1120 03161120 on WhatsApp. Requires well qualified Montessori head and female teachers for English, Geography, Computer, Art and Science. For senior grades, walk-in interviews will be conducted for Cambridge International O-Level 117, Sharafabad, Bahadarabad, Alamgir Road. Contact 0213494696, 0213494696, mobile 0332769190, 0332769190. Teachers required for regular and online tuitions. Teachers may send their CV on WhatsApp. City Tuitions 03204733 03204733 तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।